So that's why I think OpenAI is moving towards it, and also it is kind of an easy answer for them to give you. So that's there. I feel like agentic AI, going for agentic AI, going for robotics is kind of an typical path for now for any AI company, for Anthropic, for like defining what kind of an AI they are, like Anthropic, XAI, Google Gemini is also entering everywhere, And the thing with AI throughout since last year and this year too is that the adaptation of AI is not that what these companies expected. Like Samsung, we saw this year the major feature was their privacy display and the horizontal lock. The most talked feature was that, not the AI ones. Even the best AI feature, the agentic AI, is not even going to get for everyone. Like that is for just early access for some users. So you get the idea that they even Samsung has more than 15 to 20 AI features. They don't talk about it even in their events around. The thing is, AI is one of those things where every company is trying to figure it out still to this date. Even Apple did not even talk about at all in the last event they did, when they launched their iPhone 17. Like, even without that, the iPhone 17 was still good. It was, and one of the best kind of an iPhones to come out in years. So you get the idea that the AI integration, the AI adaptation, we know that, but still is still there, is that it's still pretty low. What the giants in the industry, basically people in the industry, basically these AI companies expected, especially Sam, they talked about how AI is going to be change everything. They talked about how the integration is going to be everything. But the thing is, it is not easy for the integration. Like you can just see by the giants like Apple, where now they are making deals. Now we have gotten some kind of idea where Apple is going towards AI, and now we know that they have gotten for Gemini, and they are not even working with their own models right now. They are going and working with Google and with Gemini to have those AI features. Just so you know that they are, even though they are working, they are not going to just launch an AI product, AI feature just right now. So it is kind of an, let's say, from the fact that even Apple or even Samsung, the big thing is Samsung here, the company that will go for it is even not trying to get that. So what I'm trying to say here is that AI is one of those things where the adaptation is not as simple as we thought, and also the fact that it is going to get time. Now also I am going to talk about here about any kind of new technology, like any kind of new technology, whenever it is come, the adaptation rate, whatever it is not going to be rapid at all. It is going to be easy, slow growth. Like in just either 1 year of span, not every company going to try and just shift their whole entire workflow for AI. What companies want is ultimately how their system can be improved by AI. I feel like that is the goal that companies are trying to do. That is what big companies specifically are trying to. Finance companies, JP Morgan, I believe that they're trying to, what they're achieve is that improve their system, improve their workflow, how they can improve just 10 minutes of time, like workflow, and just increase the amount of output they can with the help of AI, rather than just changing their whole system for AI, which is not sufficient, which is ultimately insufficient for any company, I believe. And the thing is also the fact that one of the also the fact that, like, just don't listen to the companies like OpenAI and Google or Gemini. Like, they are the companies who are trying to sell their product to you. You know, Google with their Gemini, XAI from Elon, Anthropic. These are like kind of an companies who are just trying to sell you their product. Like, if they say that their product is going to change the world forever, why would they not say it? Why would they not just say, like, they would definitely say those kind of things because they just want to sell their product. So understand that, not everyone needs AI right now, because the technology is so far ahead right now, and the tech is so far ahead. Like, Even me who talks about AI tech every day, it's hard for me to integrate AI in my workflow, not because it's like it is hard for me to integrate it because I can't do it. It's like I can do it, but the thing is, do I even need it? So I just always go back and forth, where do I need AI? Should I like integrate AI here? What kind of use that AI can do for me, and how my productivity and my time can be decreased for a certain amount of tasks is the goal here. But it's still hard for me. So imagine just how it is going for any other companies, where, and not just big companies, but there are so many companies out there that the integration is not as simple as that we think. Just giving people the subscriptions for this AI, for this AI like models, is not going to help people at all. What is going to help them is they learn themselves, is how they can be achieve their peak performance with the help of this AI. And let's see how it goes, because like I said, it is the fact that AI, for AI, for some people it is, AI is just not there. For some people it is like, know your thing. Let's just kind of and think for yourself, do you even need it? Same is going for other, like, I know it is kind of a tangent from the topic of